Hey guys, this will be my last time saying this, but welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have our final Tormenta update before the ride opens. And yes, you did in fact hear me right. We do have an official opening date, and Six Flags has announced that the ride will be opening June 26, 2026. And fun fact, the date is 6/26/26, which is actually a really cool date, if you think about it. And with the media date for the ride, that'll be on June 25th as shared by someone in the Facebook group. But unfortunately, I already have a trip planned, so I will not be able to make it to the opening of Tormenta, but we will talk about that in another video. And you better bet as soon as I get back, I will go out to the park and check out the ride. But getting back along with the update, I was finally able to see the ride testing myself. I drove by the park at night and they were just sending trains back to back, and it was so cool to see. It's definitely a different feeling watching this ride test in person. I just have a few comments about the ride. It honestly doesn't look like it goes that fast, but I definitely feel like it'll feel really fast once you're finally on it. And another thing is it's such a quiet ride, and it's a really quiet B&M, which is definitely strange to say. And a little fun fact, watching it test, you can almost feel it in the ground anytime it goes, just with the pure size of this ride. But now with how exciting it is that the ride is testing, there has been a lot of work inside the park and the area, and the first huge thing that has happened is the sign for the ride has been put up. The sign is a little underwhelming though, but it looks really cool. They have also painted this main archway to some orangey red, which I definitely don't think is its final color, but we will just have to wait to see. Other than that, from what I can see, not much has happened. I'm so grateful I have been able to cover the construction of this ride since November 30th, 2024, and with that, I have done 20 total updates for the ride. I just want to say thank you for all the support y'all have given me while I have been covering this ride, and I'm so excited to see what's next for the park and more specifically the channel. With the ride opening in less than 10 days, please tune into my Instagram story at 1 p.m. every day as we count down the days till Tormenta opens. Thank you so much for watching, have a great rest of your day, and bye.